Hey everyone, so let's talk about the differences between the iPhone 13 mini on the right versus the new iPhone 16e on the left here. Of course, the first one you're going to notice is going to be the size difference. So with the 13 mini, you have a 5.4 inch versus a 6.1 inch on the 16e OLED display. So of course, the 13 mini is going to be a decent amount smaller. And of course, a lot of people were hoping the new 16e was going to be in the body of the 13 mini, but that did not happen. This is more the body of the iPhone 14, so it is a decent amount bigger. As far as processors go, internals go, you get the A15 versus the A18 chips. You have 8 gigabytes of RAM versus only 4 in the 13 mini. Of course, the 8 gigabytes is what is required for the Apple Intelligence, which the 16e now has, the 13 mini does not. The 16e has a bigger battery at 3961 milliamp hours versus only 2406 on the 13 mini. So of course this will last longer than on the 13 mini. You get 20 watts of wired charging on both of these two phones. But with the mini, you do get MagSafe charging built in at 15 watts. Whereas the 16e does not have MagSafe. It does have wireless charging, just not MagSafe charging, but it's only at 7.5 watts. You have USB Type-C on the 16e, whereas the 13 mini has the lightning adapter, which is now not allowed in all countries anymore. With the 16e, you now have the action button, which can be programmed to do different things. Whereas with the 13 mini, you have the switch to turn on and off silent mode / your ringer. The 16e now has the satellite communication, so if you run to a spot, if you're out hiking or something and you cannot get any phone connectivity, cellular connectivity, you can now use the satellite connectivity, which is pretty cool, whereas 13 mini does not have that feature. Then just a couple more things here, a few more things here. Weight-wise, like I said, with size-wise, the 13 mini is of course smaller and lighter. We are talking about 141 grams versus 167 grams or so, so over 20 grams lighter. With the 13 mini, like I said, it is a tiny phone. You'll probably forget it is in your pocket even. The 16e is actually missing a couple of things. There is no ultra wideband on the 16e, whereas 13 mini does have that. Flipping the phones over, you'll see you only get one camera here on the 16e, whereas the 13 mini has 2 cameras. My cameras look weird because it has a protector on it. And with those cameras, as we can see here, there is no ultra wide on the 16e. It only does 1 times zoom, whereas with the 13 mini, you can do 0.5 times zoom. With that said though, you can do 10 times zoom on the 16e. 13 mini will only do up to 5 times zoom, which is not very zoomed in. So those are the main differences. Let me know what I missed. Let me know what you think of these two phones, especially the new 16e. Are you like me and you wish the 16e was in the 13 mini's body, as I really wish it was? That would have been sweet. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.